everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to create dynamic window blocks in AutoCAD like this. Okay, let's go to the lesson. Create a window like this. Type block on the workspace. Go to the block definition window, type the block name. Click Pick Point and select a base point of your block. Select objects to create the block. Tick the Open in Block Editor and allow exploding functions. Go to the Parameter tab of the Block Authoring palettes. On your left-hand side, select the Linear Two-Land. Mark the width of the window. Right-click on Distance 1, go to the Grip Display and select 1. Go to the Action tab. Select the Stretch tool. Select the Distance 1. Select the functional area. Select all the objects you want to move sideways. Press Enter. Test your block functions are working properly. Well, that is working. Okay, go back to the block editor. Right-click on Distance 1 and go to the Properties. On the Properties palette, go to the Value set, and change the values as this. Dist type, increment. Dist increment. 19. Dist minimum. 40. Dist maximum. 200. You can set the district max value to whatever length you want. Now test again. Okay. That is good. Go to the Actions, select the Array, and select Distance 1. Select the objects that you need to array, and press Enter. Set the value of the distance between columns, and press Enter. Test your block again. Okay. It is working. Now save your block. If dimensions are not required, remove that from your block. Double-click on the block, select the block name you want to edit, and press OK. Delete all dimensions and save again. OK, now your dynamic window block is created. Thank you for watching. See you the next day.